Hey everyone, my name is Chandan Bulani. I recently upgraded my old phone to this OPPO A15s and I've been using it from 2 weeks now. So allow me to give you a closer look so that you can see it for yourself. The package includes a handset, USB cable, adapter, SIM tray ejector, protective case, booklet with warranty card and a quick start guide. The phone is well designed with a slim and curved body that is easy to hold. The fancy white color gives the phone a classy look and it also comes in dynamic black and rainbow silver color variants. The phone measures 16.4 by 0.8 by 7.5 centimeters and weighs just 175 grams. It has a 16.55 centimeters or 6.52 inches water drop eye protecting HD screen with a capacitive touchscreen. It supports 1600 by 720 pixels resolution and 16.7 million colors for vibrant and immersive viewing pleasure. For your photography needs, the phone comes equipped with a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 13 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel depth camera and a 2 megapixel macro lens with modes like portrait, bokeh and HDR. The front camera is 8 megapixel with an AI beautification feature for all your selfies and AI face unlock. It comes with a 4230 mAh of lithium polymer battery which gives a great battery backup, 29 hours of talk time and 323 hours of standby. The OPPO A15s is powered with ColorOS 7.2 based on Android version 10 operating system with a 2.3 GHz MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor for the smooth experience. Moreover, it scores high in space with a 4GB RAM and an inbuilt 64GB storage expandable up to 256 GB. All in all, this OPPO A15s is a user-oriented and functional device for everyday use.